Hey, I'm Samir on Samir's Storytime by Learning with Samir. Today's story is autumn gardening. Enjoy! Watch until the end to see if it is fantastic, everyone.
Autumn Gardening by Miss Green.
Hello! I am a farmer. I plant seeds for my village. I had a cow. Did you know that cows can make milk? Yes, cows can make milk to stay healthy, but sometimes it is cancer. That's fine. Time to fertilize the pumpkins. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All done. Time to take pumpkins into the box. All done. I am so excited. Time to deliver into the market. Let's make it 100% perfect. I'm confused because there are some chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chickens. I am ready to take care of my cow. We did it. See you later.
Wow, pumpkins! Did you know they're like Halloween? They're Halloween decorations are real food. I think it's Halloween decorations. From now on, we will look pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34 pumpkins. 34 pumpkins in total. Time to take care of pumpkins. Nobody steals it. Nobody paints with graffiti. How many times do we know about pumpkins in the village back then? We know that back then because it needs a village with autumn pumpkins. Let's watch pumpkins to make it happen for us to help all to make great and magnificent. Pumpkins are good to make it great to watch pumpkins and grow pumpkin seeds to grow plants or trees to see information about this to help everyone learn about pumpkins. Let's see information about it to see if it is magnificent. But we can do it next time. Goodbye!
I am now a genius. Time to learn everything about pumpkins and plants on autumn. The leaves turn orange, it starts falling, and there was no leaves at all on winter until spring and summer to be trees or plants to make it more perfect and magnificent to smell beautifully magnificent like a flower. Welp, that was a story about my dream of being a farmer. I will see you later. Bye bye!
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
I hope you all enjoyed this story on Samir's Storytime. I will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye and have a magnificent day.
Like and subscribe for more videos. The end.